I-review ko lang lahat ng submissions ng magkabilang kampo, then matatanggap nyo na ang decision ko kung didinggin ang kasong ito sa korte. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I guess I'll see you in court, Attorney Matias. Akala ko in denial ka pa rin na walang mahahanap na probable cause sa fiscal for this to proceed to a court trial.
Handa kami.
You better be.
Okay, let's go.